Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So as usual, this will be a consultation meeting. So does anyone has a question or clarification so far under week 7 to 10? If none, just give me a thumbs up. Okay. Ricardo, what about the others? Flores, Pectas, and Mascara, Amayan. And okay, so the Mr. Balboa went somewhere. Anyway, so it's a good thing that you guys don't have any questions. So that only means that you were able to understand everything under week 7 to 10. So this is already your last module. Well, of course, we still have one more laboratory, which is for the limited face-to-face. So that would be next week already. So for this week 11 adults, there's only one, which is the happening student. So we'll go straight to the lab number 8 itself. So I was reading this one a while ago. So I think this one is very straightforward. So I won't be explaining anything under this lab anymore since I think I already did explain this one, very thoroughly. So using all these spies after this one, I did explain on how to, get the things that you guys might be needing. So the VA, which is equal to VTH, and then the RTH. Okay, so we only have 3 questions for this one. Well, actually, just 2. So this is number 2 and number 3. So create equivalent circuit, this one, and by putting the RTH and VTH and solve for the current that is flowing on the RL. So you need to solve for the IRL. Okay, so just do take note that this is in amps. Okay, so if it's in amps, then if the one that you're getting is milliamp, then just convert that one into ampere. Okay, and for the number 3, using the figure 1, same figure 1.0, solve for the VTH, RTH, and IRL using the Thevenin's theorem. So this one, you're going to apply whatever you guys have learned in our lectures. This is in manual computation. So we already have here the, again, the units, volts, ohms, and then amps. So if you are getting a result of kilo ohms, then just convert that one into ohms only. So the same with amps. Okay, and then just question if there's an agreement between your computed value to the result in all this spice application. And then lastly, of course, similar with the with your previous laboratories, just give a short conclusion on what you guys have learned from step 1 to step 3. And that's it. So probably for now, you guys don't have a question. So just in case that you guys have a question in the future, if you're having a problem with this one, you followed everything, but you're having a problem on issue, so just message me. Okay. So are we clear so far with your love number 8? All right. So just let me know if you guys have a question again. And then one last thing, of course, you will be having a last case study. Case study number 5. So see, you're going to read the facts and then answer this question. Okay. And that's about it. And then your final exam will be on August 4, I guess. August 3. That would be on Wednesday. Okay. So your lab number 8 and case study number 5 will be due on July 26. So it's like we have 1 week preparation, or you have 1 week leisure time to prepare for your final exam. Okay, so just in case that you wasn't able to finish lab number 8, as long as your uh excuse, or as long as your reasonings are valid, then I would let you uh submit them. and this given dates 27 to August 2. All right. Anyway, I think 2 weeks is enough since there's only one lab and then one case study. So that's already too much for this one laboratory. Okay. So yeah, that's already it for this Zoom meeting or for this meeting. So if you guys don't have any other questions or clarifications anymore, then that's already it. You guys may know. As always, thank you guys for coming and a blessed day to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too. You guys may know. Seems that Mr. Balboa is speaking, but I'm not hearing anything. Maybe.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yung paper po kasi nung last lab activity,
Mm-hmm.
nawala ko po kasi naiwan ko yung paper dun sa laboratory ng CAD nung Monday din. Pwede ko po bang makuha ulit yun?
Sige. Wala na kasang extra copy. Magpa-xerox na lang ulit tayo. Yung sa libro
Sige
na
po,
lang
sir.
by next week. So ihabol nyo na
Okay
lang
po,
kasi
sir.
another laboratory audit kayo.
Okay po, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
Alright,
sir.
goodbye.